Today, let's work on transforming the patterns of your thoughts together. Repeat this affirmation with me. I'm aware of my thoughts and I'm consciously choosing positive, high vibrational thoughts. I'm releasing negative old patterns, creating space for constructive and empowering beliefs. Now visualize your thoughts as a garden and know that you have the power to plant seeds of positivity. As an energy healer and spiritual mentor, my aim is to guide you in reshaping this mental landscape. It's as simple as recognizing negative old patterns and consciously replacing them with thoughts that align with your well being and emotional harmony. Visualize these positive beliefs taking root, growing into a vibrant garden within your mind. Each positive thought as a blossom that contributes to your emotional and mental flourishing. Are you ready to nurture this transformation within yourself? Together, we can cultivate a mindset that supports your journey to emotional harmony. Ready to embark on this journey?